how to find Uber Eats promo code. Hello everybody, my name is Jitin and watch Expert Tech, and this video very helpful for you, so please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. And in this video, how to find Uber Eats promo code. So first of all, open the Google app and search now Uber Eats promo code. Search now and scroll now, and here 50% off Uber's Eats promo codes coupon December. Click now, and you can see first $15 on $20 plus with limited time Uber Eats promo code. Click here, and here Uber Eats promo code, and go and copy this promo code and go your Uber Eats website and log in your account and apply Uber Eats promo code $15 off. I hope guys this video helpful for you, so please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.